Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about XTB versus Trading 212, which is better. First of all, we will talk about XTB. XTB has carved a name for itself as a robust platform for traders who want Forex CFDs and professional tools. It's publicly listed, regulated, and offers strong transparency, something that instantly sets it apart from any private competitors. Let's break down what makes XTB shine. You will get commission-free investing in stocks and ETFs up to 100,000 euros per month. That's great if you're a passive investor, but once you cross that threshold, a 0.2% fee kicks in. For Forex and CFD traders, XTB is a powerhouse. The xStation 5 trading platform is packed with features, real-time market data, heat maps, technical indicators, and smooth interface that gives you speed and control. XTB also offers a dedicated account manager for many users. This is rare at the retail level and great for getting quick support and strategy advice. Another plus is its virtual card, easy to access your funds or make purchases directly from your account. Since it's publicly traded, there is an extra level of transparency and trust compared to privately owned brokers. But of course, no platform is perfect. XTB has the downsides. If you're investing more than 100,000 euros per month, the 0.2 fee can eat into your returns. 0.5% FX conversion fee is applied if you're trading in a currency different from your account's base. There is an inactivity fee after 12 months of no trading. So if you're a very passive investor, that's something to watch for. While xStation is powerful, the app version can feel a bit intimidating for beginners, especially compared to more streamlined platforms. Now let's talk about Trading 212, one of the most beginner-friendly apps on the market. It's especially popular among the new investors and those who value ease of use and zero commissions. Here's what Trading 212 does right. It offers unlimited commission-free investing in stocks and ETFs, no 100k cap like XTB. That's perfect for frequent buyers and those who invest regularly through auto-invest features. The application is extremely user-friendly, making it one of the best platforms for people just getting into investing. Their physical and virtual card makes spending easy and comes with no FX fees or card usage, which is excellent for travelers or cross-border users. No inactivity fees and free withdrawals make it easy to come and go as you please without penalty. Now, let's talk about the downsides of Trading 212. It does offer CFD trading, but the spreads and overnight fees can be high. This can significantly reduce profit margins for short-term or leveraged traders. While there is no FX fee on card spending, there is an FX fee of 0.15% on invest/ISA accounts and 0.5% on CFDs. You get basic charting and indicators, but the platform lacks advanced tools, no multi-leg strategies, limited customization, and no third-party integrations. Unlike XTB, Trading 212 is privately owned, so there's a bit less public accountability when it comes to transparency. Now let's talk about side-by-side comparison. First, let's talk about fees. XTB is no commission up to 100,000 euros per month, then 0.2% and 0.5% FX conversion inactivity fee after 12 months. Trading 212 is completely commission-free. FX fees apply on certain trades, no inactivity or withdrawal fees. So Trading 212 is for casual investors and XTB is for large trades or Forex. Let's talk about trading tools. XTB's xStation 5 is powerful. Real-time news, heat maps, sentiment analysis, and custom indicators. Trading 212 is clean and simple but lacks technical depth. So XTB is for pro traders and Trading 212 is for simplicity. Let's talk about assets and access. XTB has 2,500 plus stocks, 2,700 plus ETFs, plus Forex, indices, commodities, and crypto CFDs. Trading 212 has wide range of stocks, ETFs, and CFDs, but no dedicated Forex terminal. So XTB is for variety and depth, and Trading 212 is for ease of access to stocks and ETFs. Let's talk about mobile experience. XTB's app is feature-rich but might feel cluttered for beginners. Trading 212 has one of the best mobile UIs for casual investing. So Trading 212 is winner for beginners and mobile-first investors. And XTB is the winner for traders who want depth on mobile. Let's talk about customer support. XTB stands out with a dedicated account manager, multiple language support, and fast responses. Trading 212 relies mostly on chat, email with mixed reviews, depending on volume. So XTB is winner for personalized support. So what's the final verdict? Choose XTB if you trade Forex or CFDs regularly, if you want pro-level tools and real-time data, and if you prefer a platform with public accountability and dedicated manager. And you can choose Trading 212 if you're a beginner or passive investor, and if you want commission-free investing without limits, and you prioritize simplicity, clean design, and mobile-first functionality. In short, XTB is equal to power, precision, and professional tools. Trading 212 is equal to simplicity, savings, and ease of use. So, whichever platform fits your style best, make sure to understand the fees, features, and tools before jumping in. Trade smart and stay informed. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.